In this video you will see how to turn on Instagram's disappearing messages. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the chat where you want to turn on disappearing messages. Then simply hold the screen and lift it up. Or click on the profile above. Now click on the disappearing message option and select any option except off. If you select 24 hours here, the message will automatically disappear 24 hours after you send the message. If you select 7 days, the message will disappear. After 7 days, if you select once they've seen, the message will automatically disappear after viewing.